Even if it's 5 o'clock in the evening, you can totally still salvage your day. You don't need to have a perfect day every day. Sometimes you just fall into a little bit of a slump, and in this video, I'll show you how to save your day so it's not totally wasted. Also, go ahead and check out the link in the description for a free PDF to follow along and to have along with you as you go throughout this process. All right, so step one is ask yourself why you feel that your day is wasted. Sometimes we just need regular rest days after a long week, but other times it may mean that there's something going on below the surface. Is it because you didn't do the things that you wanted to do? Were you procrastinating a lot? Or do you just feel like that you could have done better today? Whatever the reason is, go ahead and think about it, write it down if you want. Step two is to jolt yourself out of that slump. Since you're probably on a device or near a device to watch this video, go ahead and just look up a quick 5 to 10 minute video for exercise. It doesn't have to be super difficult, maybe just a 5-minute warm up or a standing workout. This really helps to reset my brain so that I'm set up for the next steps in this process. Now, step three, if you have a to-do list, go ahead and do the smallest task on it. Or if you don't have a to-do list, make a really quick one, maybe 1 to 2 things that are just really easy to do. So for example, you can just take 1 minute to sweep your kitchen or unload 1 dish from the dishwasher. And then that builds up almost a resume for you and helps to build your confidence with that little task. It's like, hey, okay, I've at least completed something today. Let's see if I can try something else. Step 4. Now that you've done a task, it's time to keep that momentum going. So one way you can do this is by picking another small task that continues to get a little more difficult that you can still accomplish. So maybe spend 5 minutes vacuuming your living room or something like that. If you still are feeling a little bit slumpy or out of the groove, go ahead and just take a step outside, spend maybe 30 seconds, or spend longer if you need to. And then step 5, tackle that final boss task. If you feel that your day has been wasted, there is more than likely a task on your list that you've been procrastinating on. Something big, something that's like this alarm blaring in your mind and in your heart that's like, I really need to get this done, but I really don't want to touch this. So in order to actually get this going, what I recommend is breaking it down into smaller tasks. So let's say you have to do laundry and you've run out of clothes for the week. First step, go take the clothes to the washer and dryer. And the next step would be put the clothes in the washer. And then the next step would be turn the washer on. From experience, breaking it down like that makes it a lot more manageable and less overwhelming. And then before you know it, that big task that you've been procrastinating on no longer has that alarm blaring, and there's that sigh of relief. Like, okay, this is done. I don't have to run away from this anymore. And that leads me to step 6, bask and relax. You've done what you need to and you've salvaged your day. Make sure to congratulate yourself, reward yourself, and then also make sure to set yourself up tomorrow for success. Nothing too difficult, maybe just 2 or 3 tasks that you want to do to help you feel like you've accomplished something. Pre-planning this out the day before will help you be able to just jump right in the next day. Now, don't forget to go in the link to download that free Salvage Your Day PDF just to have it with you in case you have another slump day in the future, or you just need to carry it with you as you complete these steps. All right, thanks for watching. I'm Steph, and this is Notes in Progress.